This video might seem a little extra, but I wish I knew all these extra tips coming from somebody who is so extra and needs a million things in their life. I wish I knew these tips sooner, and I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys. After over 10 years now of traveling, I feel like I have finally cracked down on what actually works and what doesn't. Believe me, a lot of these really popular travel hack videos are lacking key tips. I'm going to show you from personal experience the best ultimate ways on how to pack properly for a 7 to 14 day trip. Okay, so I strongly don't suggest you pack all your final outfits together in one bag, which I'll explain more in a sec. I found that taking photos of the outfits along with my other top favorite second outfit combinations really helped me to remember what possibilities I had with the outfits I'm bringing exactly. Another tip is to store them in packing cubes, keeping each cube specifically just for pants, tops, skirts, and so on. And also rolling them is going to save you the most space as well. So whenever it's time to get ready, and let's say plans had switched that day, literally all I have to do is just go on my phone, look at my saved outfits, and it's so easy to find them in my packing cubes as opposed to having each outfit literally in one bag. It's just gonna be a nightmare to find what you actually want. Tip number 2, another huge mistake that I had done to my face while traveling is thinking that I could save space in my luggage by bringing one of these facial exfoliating pads in exchange for my spin brush. I ended up getting all these tiny bumps on my face and a rash when I was in Thailand, all because I wasn't properly exfoliating my face and taking off my makeup at night like how I normally would. My skin just ended up getting worse and worse throughout that 2-week trip, all because I was trying to save space, which I totally regret, honest truth. Tip number 3. So if you don't really know how much product to bring with you on a trip, I swear this has changed my life. And I always used to bring big bottles, and then I moved to the little bottles, and now I got even smarter. What you want to do is you want to literally measure out exactly how much you use in the shower prior, and this is going to solve everything. I promise. So I only wash my hair twice a week using 10 pumps each of Hairfinity's shampoo and conditioner, which I really love and recommend since it's silicone free and doesn't weigh out your hair. And I do notice it really does leave your hair feeling cleaner longer, which is what you want when you're traveling. This is literally all I need for a 7-day trip. Definitely don't be worried that it's not enough, because believe me, it is more than enough. You can always add in more product, just make sure it doesn't exceed 100 milliliters. However, to me, bringing more product is unnecessary, especially if you are using the right kinds of products that will keep your hair looking beautiful and cleaner longer. I literally do this to all my toiletries, and you'll be surprised by how much space and weight you'll actually save in your luggage. Okay, so tip number 4. It's really key to know exactly what your itinerary is looking like so you can pre-plan and not overpack or underpack. The best way, from my experience, is to literally pre-plan your outfits each day of your trip very wisely, depending on what activities you have and the weather. So I literally only bring one outfit per day or activity and have them planned out from hair to accessories and makeup, and I swear this saves so much time and luggage space. Another tip is to bring more neutral colored pieces so you can mix and match them for more possible outfit combinations, along with only 1 to 2 colored items, which is all you need, I promise. Tip number 5. It always used to take me twice as long to get ready, if not longer, because of how disorganized my luggage was. Literally the whole floor would be full of clothes. You could barely walk anywhere. The washroom was just filled and just like so messy. I always used to kind of get anxiety when thinking of going somewhere and traveling. Something that has really helped somebody who's like always messy during traveling is to honestly really have a home in a designated spot for all your belongings. I cannot tell you how much this has helped. Literally put it back in the same spot whenever you are done packing cubes, and just having a designated little pouch or bag for everything will really level up your organization game when it comes to traveling. Tip number 6. If you're going to be going somewhere tropical, I highly do not recommend you carry your sun hat or any of your hats outside of your luggage. Not only have I damaged them, but I've also lost my favorite ones as well. So depending on how big your packing cubes are, or if you're not bringing packing cubes, you can actually fill the hat with clothes and then lay it flat on the bottom and then pack clothes around it, which will actually keep it very safe. Or you can just buy one that's actually meant to be rolled so it doesn't get damaged. Or you can just purchase one at your destination and then donate it or give it away so you don't run into any packing problems, which has always been a problem of mine when it came to hats. Sometimes I just like, screw it, I'm not gonna bring a hat because of how annoying and how many times I've damaged them. But then it's like, you want a hat because you need to protect your skin from the damage and you're in this catch-22. So that's why I'm making this video for you. Do you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Now I mean. Tip number 7. Definitely, I totally regret all the times when I would go on vacation and I would take out all my makeup and I would bring so much makeup and I would be like, I'm gonna try to do this new look today, and next thing you know, 3 hours go by because you're so like, oh no, I want to change this, that, blah 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 blah. Definitely don't be like me in the past. That's just asking for a recipe of disaster. So to fix this, you want to have 2 to 3 of your favorite go-to looks already pre-planned and set. So when you get there and have a very busy schedule ahead, putting on makeup is going to only take 20 to 30 minutes or even 15 minutes depending on what look you have planned, instead of 2 to 3 hours. So what I do to make sure that I never forget anything or bring too much is, while I'm putting on my makeup, I will literally put each product that I used aside. Whatever product is there in the end is the only products that I will actually take with me, but in a depotted form if possible. You can also take pictures of your go-to items so you remember what to pack with you in the future, which has also saved me a lot of time, instead of, oh, now I have to get ready and do my makeup because I don't really know what to bring. Now it's just, oh, here's the photo of all my top favorite looks, and this is all the products that I use to do all those looks. Also, when all your makeup is depotted in front of you that you need, you just do your makeup faster because you're not opening and closing and looking for things. Everything is just in one palette in front of you, and it is life-changing. Cleanup is easy. You just close the lid and put it away. Literally, it's not like, okay, here's all this makeup now and you have to put it all away and take it all out. Time is very precious, you guys, and I've lost so much time in the past being so extra. And it's great because I can still be extra, but smarter and wiser. Tip number 8. Now, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm at the airport, I feel so bad paying like $4 for water. I'm really frugal, so I like to bring my own snacks, my own sandwiches, and most importantly, I always make sure to bring a reusable water bottle with me. That way, once I pass security, I can just fill it up. However, I don't know if it's just me, but airport water from the fountain just tastes so bad. So what I like to do is I like to put little lemon wedges in my reusable water bottle, and it just solves everything, makes it taste great, and it's also really great for your skin as well. I am 29 years old now, and I'm going to be 30 at the end of this year in November, and I have been traveling now for over 10 years and really know what works. I used to travel like an idiot, okay? I just really want to share this with you guys, and I hope you also share this video with your friends who you might be going to travel with. This will definitely help everybody in the group. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I love you, and don't forget that you are amazing.